Hi there, this is Ben Hewlett from playharmonica.co.uk. So I've been asked recently to do a little bit of an overview of note bending. Big subject. It's one of the things that really opens up the harmonica. Let's start with an overview of it, and then I can go into some of the fine details right now. So in this video, I'm just going to go an overview, 30,000 foot view of. There are four types of note bending: draw bending, blow bending, overblow, overdraw. That's draw bending, blow bending, overblow, overdraw. These last two are collectively known sometimes as overbending. Draw bending happens on 1 to 6 and you breathe in. Blow bending is 7 to 10 and you breathe out. Overblow is 1 to 6 and you breathe out. Overdraw is 7 to 10 and you breathe in. Now these last two, the overblow and overdraw, they're not used all that much, definitely not by beginners. I think I didn't discover them for at least 10 years of playing harmonica, but now they're more common. And they've always existed because it's a thing in physics, so it always has existed. It really came to the fore when Howard Levy attached a name to it in the 80s. I mean, there are examples of it being played in the 60s and I think even in the 20s, so it's always existed. It never sounded terribly good, and some people say it still doesn't sound terribly good, and it doesn't sound terribly good when I play it. But there are times when I just need that note. So let's just concentrate on the first two. So draw bending, you breathe in when you're draw bending, it's on 1 to 6. And the pitch goes downwards. It goes down to just above where the lower note is. On 1 to 6, let's take it with a C harmonica, right? On holes 1 to 6, the draw note, that's hole 1. The draw note is higher, isn't it? So we start with the draw note, the higher note, and we bend it down to just above, or nearly equal to, just above, let's say, to where the blow note pitch is. And then I blow, so you can tell it goes down to nearly that pitch. It can do. You don't want to bend it too much. And this is true of all of the draw bends. The pitch goes down. Hole 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. So the pitch is going down in all these cases. On blow bending, the pitch is also going down, but you're breathing out. So let's do it from 10 downwards. I'll actually do this on a G harmonica because it's easier on the ears. So 10, 9, 8, 7. 7's only just a tiny bend. So draw bending and blow bending on 1 to 6, and then 7 to 10 blow bend. Why do we do it? Might be a good question to ask. Well, it increases the amount of notes that you've got available. It enables you to play the same notes as are on a piano when you cover all of the bending, but any bending increases the amount of notes that are available to you. So it gives you more chance to play more interesting tunes. And why do we do it? Because it's a blast, because it's cool, because it sounds great. And it's because it's what the harmonica does. You know, that's the sound of the harmonica, is the bent notes, the diatonic harmonica. The other harmonicas don't really typically bend notes. There are 4 types of harmonica, well 5 let's say. The diatonic, which is the one I'm using here, that's the one I teach. The chromatic, that's the one with a button on the side, favoured by Stevie Wonder and Toots Thielemans and Larry Adler. And there's the tremolo, which is used mostly in the Western music. It's mostly used in folk music, in Irish or Scottish music or English music typically. In the East, it's used for everything. And then there's orchestral instruments, which are like bass and chord and combinations of that sort of thing. And then now we have digital harmonicas as well. So those are MIDI, wind-blown MIDI instruments, MIDI interfaces. So how much detail do you want? This is the question. Do you want me to go into every single hole and show you exactly how to do it? Or do you want an overview of anything else? Let me know what you want. Okay, so we'll sign off for now, and then we can come back to this in any amount of detail you want. So let me know if you want more work on draw bending or blow bending or overblow or overdraw or all of those, and it shall be done. Okay, bye for now.